Looks like it's going to be a very good year for sweet chestnuts this year. These are a brilliant source of protein. They're usually ready maybe October, and you sort of can pick them up through the winter. They drop when these cases like drop off, and then they kind of gradually spill their nuts throughout the year. Now there's some dropped off already, so I'm going to try and get into these. This is very, very prickly outer casing. So, sweet chestnuts are native to southern Europe and adjoining bits of North Africa and Western Asia, but they have been introduced a long time. So if you look in here, you've got the nuts, and it looks like we've actually got one that's not fully ripe, but it's got something in it. These ones here, oh, two. Right, excellent. So these ones here are all kind of shriveled. Ouch. And you can see that there's nothing in those ones. So lob that away, and then just open these up. So get your nails in and just scrape off all this outer skin here. You've got a little nut inside, and there is the chestnut. Sometimes they can be a lot bigger than that, but they taste a bit different when they're not quite ripe, but quite sweet. So I'm going to open this one as well. One of my favourite foods, and you can normally find them throughout at least the first half of the winter. That's lovely. So, chestnuts are very good for detoxifying the body, very full of protein, really, really nice. And the leaves can be made into leaf tea, and for various respiratory disorders like whooping cough and asthma and things like that. Or alternatively, you can use the bark if the leaves aren't available. This tree has been long introduced to Britain, thought to be brought by the Romans, and it's not like classed as invasive. It seems to just grow in woods quite often, just grows alongside our other trees. So it's a nice tree to have because it produces so much food. But usually the ones they drop first of all, the ones that aren't going to be so good, but that's got a big one, and that might have one in. So just squash it with your beak, like so, like that, and maybe a bit more, maybe a bit of heel, and then you can open them up, and that one's got a nice one in, I think, or maybe two. Sometimes you get as many as 4 or 5, and then just peel off the outer layer, like that again, and then you've got the nut inside like this. Well, really